Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves Palette. You know, I bought it not long ago and I absolutely love it. I've been using it every day, so the last few videos you've seen me on, I would have been wearing this palette. This is all matte palette. I love the tones of it. I love the quality of the shadows. They are a bit powdery, but I don't seem to be getting much fallout. As long as you tap off the excess, you know, you're absolutely fine. So let's do this. So first I'm going to take the lightest one, which I think is called Fluffy, and I'm going to apply it all over my mobile lid. Just right up to my crease. I might pin my hair away from my face. Yes, the pigmentation, the blendability is amazing of this palette. Now I'm going to take MAC 217 brush and I'm going to use the second lightest, which is called Rosy. And I'm going to apply it like in my upper crease and blend it upwards. So this will be like a blending out color. Yeah, so you can definitely see how powdery they are, and all the mirror is dirty, but if you tap off the excess, I don't feel I'm necessarily getting much fallout at all. Now I've had a comment from someone saying that I am so boring with all these mauvey shadows that I should just start doing something different, and I don't understand why. That's what I feel suits my complexion the best in the winter. And also I often get asked to do makeup looks for brown eyes, and if you think about it, it's pointless. I can't do a makeup for brown eyes because I've got blue eyes, so it doesn't matter what the makeup is, you can only tell what it looks like on blue eyes because that's what I have. So if you want to, if you've got brown eyes and you are not sure what colors would suit you, you need to go and watch someone that has brown eyes, because that's the best, that will be the best tutorial to watch. Obviously it doesn't matter what I put on my eyes, it will be still look for blue eyes, if you know what I mean. Now I'm going to take Blank Canvas Cosmetics E45 and I'm going now to this shade. So I'm, you know, going from the lightest to darkest, and I'm just going to deepen up my crease, just my crease with it. I love this palette so much. You know, I have different sort of purplish mauvey eyeshadows, but I don't know what it is about this one. The tones are just right for me. I will also do a tutorial with the Wizard palette that I bought, the Amethyst, and do you know what I've noticed? That I get very similar look with the other palette and this palette. So if you like those colors, you don't have to go for the really expensive one. You can choose that one. And also I know that a lot of mature ladies like to use all matte eyeshadows. I am a lover of shimmery eyeshadow, as you know, but I know a lot of you out there don't like the shimmers, so this is a perfect palette. Okay, now I'm going to take probably the Real Techniques shading brush, and I will go into the one before the darkest. So like I said, I'm going from the lightest to darkest, and I'm going to start shading my outer 7. So I'm shading it here and going into the crease with it. Not getting any fallout, but I am tapping off the brush each time. Open your eyes then. Don't, you know, I can lift my eyes really high and that looks fine, but when I lower my eyes, can you see I'm missing the shadow here? You can't really see it here, so I know I have to go a bit higher with my 7 and then we will blend it out. So you see I'm drawing that 7. That's better. I'm going to maybe shade it a bit further in. And then I'm going to take smaller brush. This is tapered eyeshadow brush by Bare Minerals, and I'm going to go into the darkest one. And shade just very, very outer corner with it. Patting it. Patting is a very good technique. Now I'm going to go back to my MAC 217 and I'm going to just blend out the edges so everything melts together. Now I'm going back to the lightest one, the one that I put on a mobile lid, and I'm going to pat to intensify so it almost gives me like a cut crease. This brush I'm using is very old, it's not even being made, it's by TG, but any flat eyeshadow brush. Can you see how that makes your eyelid pop? And now I'm going to do my lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go with the second lightest first. I'm going quite low with it, sort of diffusing it down. Then I'm going to take like an eyebrow angled brush. This is MAC 253. I'm going to go to this one and I will go right under my lash line just to darken this lash line. You can wet that brush a bit if you want more intense color or go with the darkest color. And that's it. I sometimes now would apply very thin line of liquid eyeliner, but I will use today my Master Smoky from Maybelline, and as usual very closely to my lash line just draw a line. And then I will put it in my waterline. And now mascara. I'm going to apply my Nars. I've been using it like every day. In fact, I feel like it's going now. And also my lashes are at that stage now that they were so long and thick, and they've started to fall out. Like I've got a gap here, if you can see, but that's just normal when you use eyelash serum. So you know that new eyelash serum that I've shown you, the X Lash, I've started using that straight away. So I'm testing that, and when you first start using the serum, it sort of takes good 20-28 days to see Don't know if you can see, I've got here like really long lash, so that's gonna probably fall out soon. And yeah, and I will let you know if it worked. But because my lashes are a bit sparse now, I always at that time start using my favorite 3/4 false lashes, you know, from Fleur de Force, Fleur Loves, the 3/4 lash. So I will apply that as well. So just make sure that these are coated, because those lashes don't go right into your inner corner. They just, yeah, they are 3/4. I will wait for this mascara to dry. Let's do the lips. I think I'm going to use MAC lip pencil in Soar. Very lightly. And I will use my Estee Lauder Pure Color Love lipstick in Crazy Beautiful. I think it's a bit too pink. I normally wear some sort of nude lip, but I thought I use something different. By the way, today I'm wearing Raquel Welch Editor's Peak in Shaded Biscuit wig. My jumper is very old, so can't tell you where it's from. These are the lashes. I don't have the box because I keep them in like a little eyelash box. These are the ones that I use the most. I'm going to use the duo glue. So I will just pop them on, because you know you have to wait for the glue to dry out a bit, and I will be back. Just wanted to show you the difference. So I've got a lash on this eye. Can you see how nicely shaded and darker it is here than this one? So they are quite natural. They are not, oh my god, you're wearing false eyelashes. That's why I like them, because I can wear them even in a day, but they do make a difference. Okay, so that is the finished look. I absolutely adore this palette. It's very easy because of that, the way it's set out, that ombre effect, that you just go from lighter to darker, but you can use it in so many ways, and you can do one eyeshadow looks with it. I really love it. So if you like these type of shades of eyeshadow, you will love it. I will recommend it to anybody. I think the quality is amazing, and yeah, can you tell I just love it? Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for watching. I will leave here links to my other videos about hooded eyes and 5-minute looks. So if you want to see more makeup tutorials, just click on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.